Check that both your hands and the waterware cover are clean and dry. Hold Rondo2 with the MED-EL logo facing upwards. Insert it, microphone first, into the cover. Take the flap at the bottom and pull the rest of the cover over the processor. Make sure the cover fits snugly around the processor without any wrinkles or air bubbles. Place the round adhesive strip over the flat side of the processor, starting at the bottom. There should be no gaps between the strip and the cover. Check that the processor is sealed on all sides by waterware and that there are no wrinkles or air bubbles. We recommend using an additional fixation device while swimming, such as a swimming cap. To remove waterware, gently peel off the adhesive strip and discard. Use the circular flap to remove the cover from the processor. Each adhesive strip can be used only once, but each waterware cover can be used up to 3 times.